These are the elevators at Fang shopping center. Based on the door operator sound, this appeared to be a Schindler. That does sound like a Schindler. Just in case if these elevators get busy, we might be stopping at one. Oh, what do you know? We're not. It's kind of chilly in here too. These appear to be a Schindler 5500. Based on the sound of that door operator. We might be stopping on the way down. If we do, we're gonna get off and end the video. If the elevators here are the exact same, I'm not gonna bother with it. I do apologize for the rough entry, not only because the lobby is busy, but there was also a security not too far from either. I think, are these Schindler? Because based on, I've never seen a Schindler with these type of fixtures. But all I know is it was installed in 2016. Nope, that's not where nope, I got off on the wrong floor. No, I got on B1, whoops. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. Well, that'll be it.